In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQs, that is, if f of z is a constant function, then Cauchy equations. Solution: if f of z is a constant function, then f of z is equal to c is equal to a plus iota b. C mean complex, where u is equal to a and b is equal to b. Now u of x is equal to 0 and u of y is equal to 0 equal to u of z. Similarly, u of y is equal to 0 and u of x is equal to 0 is equal to minus u of y. So the Cauchy-Riemann equations are satisfied. So option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.